Hello. Alright, I want to show you how to easily copy and paste products on your Alibaba.com dropshipping store from Alibaba.com. The first thing you do is to open a tab on your laptop, okay, where the Alibaba.com page of the products that you want to add. For instance, this what you see on the screen here is a products page on Alibaba.com that I want to add to a dropshipping store on Alibaba.com. So I open the tab and then I open the second tab, that is my dashboard. Okay, so you open your dashboard on Alibaba.com on the second tab, and then you come to products, and then you scroll down to products and open them. Then you open yet another tab where you have still your dashboard, okay, website and pages. You open pages and then you click on product reference. Alright, once you have those three information ready, the next thing you do, you go back to the Alibaba page, you highlight the URL, the product URL here, you highlight and then you copy. Alright, come to the product reference and then you paste that information here. Once you paste the information, that is your product code. You give it a code name. For instance, for this page, for my product store, I call it BD, I give the code BD0012, because the last one I gave you was, I did here was BD0011. If you're adding the first product, it should be BD001, or BD is a big deal. So you use your code, you can create a code of your own. So for my code is BD. Alright, then BD0012. Once you do that, you save. You click save. You go back to the Alibaba page. You copy the product name. Copy the product name. Go to the product information page. Click the plus sign here. Add product. So add a product, and this information comes in. You paste that information. Alright, you paste the product name and then go back to the Alibaba page. The next information that you want to add will be the price. This seller at Alibaba is selling this product for 3,800 naira. That is for 999 items. Okay, so assuming I want to add a markup of 1,000 naira, that means the pricing will be 4,800 naira. So I go back to the product page, come to the price. I add 4,800 naira. Alright, and then I go to categories. I pick categories and select this. The product I'm adding is phones, under phones and accessories category. Alright, and then I scroll down. The next information I need to add here is the product image. I go to Alibaba. You see what I do. Let me go back there. You come here to click here to expanded view. You click here to expanded view, and then you select the image that you want to copy. You click right click and then copy image address. Copy image address. Then go back to your back end. Okay, and then click copy paste that information here. And okay. Alright, the next information that you want to add there is the product description. The product description is very, very important. So if you scroll down on the product page on Alibaba, you see a lot of information about the product that you want to add. So you highlight the information that you want to add. Okay, I'm highlighting this information that I want to add, and then I copy. Simply copy it, and then you go back the way you have full description. You paste that information there. Okay, so here you have full description, and then scroll down, see further on that page. The next very important information here is a code. In this case now, the code I have here that I save this product is BD0012. So simply add that information here, BD0012. Alright, and then in stock, you shouldn't leave there one, you should add some number. That's how many of these products you have in stock. Remember, on Alibaba.com, an average seller there is a manufacturer, so they always have sufficient quantity of the product in stock at the manufacturers. So once you finish that information, you click create. you click create, and then go back to Alibaba.com. Alright, the product page. You're going to add more images on the product. So you still go back to click here to expanded view. Alright, and then get more. You see there are more images, smaller images of these products here. So let's say I want to add this one again. So you click it, right click, then copy image address, then come to images. The first one here was general. You copy, click on images, then click URL, and then you paste that information there, and then OK, and then OK, and then click on this blue plus sign, okay, so that you can add another image. Now we want to target another image, smaller image of this product. Copy image address, right click, and then copy image address, click URL, and then paste. Click on URL and then paste that information. So no matter how many of the images you want to add, you take the same process, you follow the same process. You right click, copy image address, and then you go back there to install, click on the blue plus sign here, and click on the URL, paste that information, and then OK. And then you're almost done. Go to add-ons and select under reviews, communication and rating. You select communication and rating, and then you go to reward points. Uncheck this option. Your product is ready for display on your store, your dropshipping store on Naver.com. Alright, it's as simple as that. Now let's look at your store. This particular product, see, this is the store that I'm adding the product to. See, that product is not displayed here. Now let's refresh the page to see how it is being displayed. See, the product is now appearing on my store on Naver.com. So if you click the product and open, you see all the information, 4,800 naira. Okay, the name of the product is there, the images, the smaller images, all those images that I added, they are here, okay, for buyers to easily see all the different images that I added, additional images that I added. You can, as I said, you can add as many as you can. Alright, that's